friends, yesterday I taught you tense. There are two types of tense, present tense and past tense. Already I explained present tense. Each tense has four forms: simple present, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous. Today I am giving some exercises. Write the tense of the following sentences. Here given some sentences, you have to identify which tense. First one is the sun rises in the east. In this sentence, now you identify which tense. First we have to see what is the verb here. The verb is rises. Already I have told you simple present tense rule is verb 1 yes or yes. So your rise is verb. Rise is verb, here rises. We added here yes because the sun is singular. So here yes, add yes from this verb rises. So rises is simple present tense. Simple present. We have to write here simple present. Now clear? And second one, my mother is teaching me. In this sentence, first we have to find out what is the verb here. Here verb is teaching. What is the helping verb here? Is. So we can find easily this tense is present continuous because present continuous rule is am, is, are, verb 1 plus ing. So here teach is verb. Teach plus ing, teaching means you have to say continuous. Verb plus ing means continuous. So here is a helping verb. Helping verb always come before main verb. Here is used for my mother. My mother is a singular third person. So here write is. My mother is teaching me. In this sentence, here is, am, are plus verb plus ing. So is teaching is present continuous. My mother is teaching me. In this sentence tells us which tense present continuous. Third one is we are watering the plants. The third sentence, what is the third? We'll see what is the verb here and helping verb. In helping verb we can know which tense. Here watering is verb. Water plus ing. For are is helping verb. Here are used for we. We is plural, that's why we have to use verb are. We are watering the plants. This sentence here watering, and you know is, am, are, verb plus ing. So we are watching. This tense also, this sentence also present continuous. Now come fourth one. I have done my homework. I have done my homework. This is which tense? Already I told you has or have plus verb 3. Verb 1, verb 2, verb 3. Like go, verb 1, wait, gone. Do, did, done. Here I have done my homework. Here first we will find out what is the verb here. Here verb is done. Done is the verb 3. Then here have used for I. I have done my homework. This sentence is present perfect because here have plus verb 3. So in this sentence present perfect. Fifth one is she has visited the museum. In this sentence, what is the verb here? Visited. Visited is verb 3. Visit, visited, visited. Verb 3. So verb 3 before has. Has used for she. Because has used for she, he and it. Here has used for she or has plus verb 3. This sentence is present perfect. Present perfect. She has visited the museum. Here first we have to find what is the verb here. Verb is verb 3. Visited. Then before we have to see has. Has means see has plus verb 3 present perfect. Sixth one is they have been living here. They have been living. Here first living is the verb. Live plus ing. Living means first to know continuous. Verb plus ing. Then here have. I have. Sorry, they have. They have means already present perfect. They have been living. Present perfect continuous. I have been. I have means already present perfect. Then living. Living means continuous. Present perfect continuous. I have been living. Present perfect continuous. Don't confuse your living first to see living is the verb. Living means continuous. Here how means present perfect. Then we have to add here been. They have been living here present perfect continuous. Then comes sixth one. My father goes to office. What is the verb here? Goes. My father is singular third person. Already you know he, she or it. We have to add there verb yes or yes. So here verb is go. Go end with go. Which verb end with go? After you have to add there yes. So here goes is verb. My father goes to office. This sentence is which tense? Present. Simple present. Simple present. I am going to market. In this sentence, I am going to market. What is the verb here? Going. Going means you know continuous. What is happening now? I am teaching. She is going. She is drinking water. What is happening now? What is continue now? That is present continuous. So I am going. This verb is going before here am. Am used for I. Am used for only I. So I am going to market. This tense tells us which tense present continuous. Ninth one is Rabi has been coming. Rabi has been coming. Here coming is continuous. Then here has been simple or present perfect. Has or have plus verb 3. But here Rabi has. Here has used for Rabi. Already I have told you have used for I, we, you, they. Has used for she, he, it. So Rabi is he. Rabi is a noun. Then what will write pronoun for Rabi? He has or Rabi has. So Rabi has present perfect. Here coming continuous. Already present perfect and continuous. So you write present perfect continuous. Now come 10th one. My mother has cooked the dinner. What is the verb here? Cooked. Cooked is verb 3. Cooked, cooked, cooked. Verb 1, verb 2, verb 3. So my mother has cooked the dinner. Here cooked is verb 3. Before is helping verb. Helping verb always comes before main verb. What is the main verb here? Cooked. What is the helping verb here? Has. What are helping verbs? Is, am, are, has, have, had, shall, will. These are helping verbs or auxiliaries. So, what is the helping verb here? Has. My mother has cooked. Here has used for my mother. My mother means singular. So, you have to write here has. Has cooked. Has or have plus verb 3. What will write here? Present perfect. Next one is Shobha sings on the stage. What is the verb here? Sings. Shobha, there are sings is for Shobha because Shobha is singular third person. So we have to add here yes from this verb. Shobha sings on the stage. This sentence is simple present. They go to church regularly. They go to church. What is the verb here? Go. Here already Yesterday I explained you. I go, we go. I go, we go. You go, you go. She or he goes, they go. They is plural of she or he. So they go to church regularly. Here go is simple present tense. Next one is the baby is sleeping on the bed. What is the verb here? Sleeping. Sleeping means first you don't confuse. First sleeping means continuous. Verb plus ing sleeping continuous. Then what is the helping verb here? Is. We can find out easily. What is the helping verb here? Is. Is means present tense. Is, am, are present tense. Plus your sleeping present continuous. Is, am, are means present tense. Is used for the baby because the baby is only singular. So we have to write the is and sleeping. Present continuous. Next one is the train has arrived. Arrived is verb 3. Arrived. Arrived is verb 3. Your has used for which tense? Present tense which form? Present perfect. Has arrived. Your has used for the train. The train is singular. So has used for singular already I told you. Has used for she, he, it. The train has arrived. This is present perfect. The boys are fighting. Fighting continuous. Then here are used for boys. So in this sentence the boys are fighting. Present continuous. Are means is, am, are used for present tense. They are fighting. Or here present continuous. So friends, already I explained 4 types of forms and some exercises. Simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. I hope you learn well.